I think right behind the car, Brian.
What?
Right there, and Gunner goes that way by the green mailbox.
Might want to paint it orange.
Yeah, right. You guys are. Oh, great.
Where are you going?
Oh, I thought he already overthrew you. Oh my God. That went in the snow.
Oh my God.
They don't want to walk all the way over there to go get it.
Where'd it go? Over there.
Behind you.
Where is it?
You guys are supposed to throw 10 times on target.
I got it through my head. I threw it right at you. Yeah, when I was big.
Yeah, like right around there, Gunner, no? It's like gone, Ryan. He can't find it.
I can't find it. I don't see a hole.
Rocket! Come on, doggy. Rocket, gonna get mama. Gonna get mama. Gonna get mama. You're crazy.
You won't go away.
Yeah. And then when the plow guy comes. All right, game over.
Yeah, Gunner killed it. I think it just like sunk down, but I don't see a hole. Gunner killed it.
Brian, I thought you were gonna go tackle him hard.
I was. Yes, it was.
Okay, watch for the video on YouTube. We're gonna try to get on TV tonight. Rocket, come on. Rocket, gonna get mama. You went all the way over there just to tackle him. That's awesome.
Alright, I'm going to shower.
Shoes.
It's in my shoes.
You guys are crazy. Oh.
It's okay, it's just water.
My ankles are.
Well, they lost the ball.
You lost the
Yeah, because, okay, so I fall on the floor when I threw it, right? I threw the Gunner. I'm on the floor.
He throws it, and the snow is so deep, he falls over.
Yeah, so I fell, and Gunner throws it at me while I'm on the ground.
So he goes back and gets it.
And then it's all soaked, and I throw it to Gunner, and it was over his head because it was full of snow. So he killed it.
And then it went in the snow, disappeared. There's no hole.